Hi everyone, it's Random Design. For the Coolermaster World Series I got this awesome monitor here. It is a XG2402, which was kindly provided by Viewsonic. And as you might know, I am also building an X-Wing for this competition. So to pick up the design, I want to modify this monitor here to make it look like a spaceship cockpit that could maybe exist in the Star Wars universe. This time we made at first a template from cardboard to figure out how the overall design will fit. From this we made a detailed sketch and transferred all measurements to MDF for cutting. All cutouts and details were made with a jigsaw. Round openings were adjusted using a Dremel. Next, all parts were assembled and screwed together. We constructed also a drawer for the keyboard, which we covered with black carbon foil from the inside. The drawer was installed before the upper part of the monitor was assembled. I built a basic construction just for stabilization from the inside. Then I constructed the actual monitor cover. All parts were glued together and fixed until all was cured. In the front panel we installed a trackball from an old Logitech mouse that we still had laying around. On the bottom side I installed and soldered LED stripes for a glowy light effect. The basic construction was primed with a mixture of black and white gesso. All detail parts were first 3D designed and then printed. The rough surface was sanded down by using dry and wet sandpaper. Everything was coated with spray filler before applying the primer. For a used look, all parts were weathered with black and white acrylic paint. To protect the color, we applied multiple layers of clear coat. The main construction was weathered as well. Then the detail parts were glued on. To control all light effects, I soldered a switch panel with RGB LEDs. Most of the effects are controlled with an Arduino that was connected to the other electric parts. As a final highlight, we added a type number and of course the symbol of the rebellion. So that's it, our Star Wars themed monitor here is done. Just let me show you all of its features. So, like in a real cockpit, at first nothing is working. There is one very important item you need to fire the system up, and that is of course a key. So now the system is ready to start. To control each individual element of the monitor, we included a switch panel with LEDs showing if the element is on or off. So let me just show you what we included. The first switch here is controlling the light on the bottom. The second one is controlling the light around the monitor. For the third one, we installed a nice blinking LED effect. The function of this little switch here I will show you later, but for now let's turn it on. And the last one here is controlling the running light effect, giving the illusion that there's actually something working inside the monitor. So the screen is still black. To turn on the monitor you have to use a secret little switch code I will show you. So you have to switch those 3 on and then the monitor is working. To control the screen here we included a trackball, and the trackball is actually the mouse on the monitor, and we also included the right and left mouse button. So everything is just working fine. And you might ask, if there is a mouse here, is there also a keyboard, because sometimes you need to type something or so? And yes, That's why we turned this little switch here on, because on the right side of the monitor I have a second switch, and if I press it, the keyboard will move out. And if I press it again, it will move back in. As a little highlight, we included this USB hub and card reader here from Onyx. It is directly connected to the monitor, so you can use it whenever you're flying through space. So that's it, our Star Wars themed monitor. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye bye. Hi everyone, it's Random Design. For the Coolermaster World Series I got this awesome monitor here. It is an XG2402, which was kindly provided by Viewsonic.
Ich aber weiter.